All right, good morning, everybody. I guess today I got all that fixed. All that motor stuff's good now. But I do have to fix this. Gas gauge shows empty. It ain't got no gas in it. And I put a new gas tank in here. Put a new sending unit. But I've tested it already. I can touch the two wires together and that gauge works. So for some reason, when I put that sending unit back in, now it don't work. It worked when I put it in. So I got to tear this back apart and see what happens. And do some testing. Testises. Digital gold testises stuff. All right, get in. Thank you. No way. Well, for Pete's sake, go the right way. There you go. I'm wondering if the float that's on this thing fell off. It don't make sense. I mean, it's brand new. Well, I knew it. What? I don't think it's. Oh, right. I'll be back. All right, got the bolts off. Let's see. The thing's just going to be in the way, ain't you? I guess I got to put the phone down again. Hold on. Well, I got her out. And the float's on it. Let's figure out why. Dang thing don't want to cooperate. Let's do some digital tests. All right. Make this thing even working. Simone's digital tech checks. That one there. This one there. That's what we got. Okay, so we got something. Put it down. Yeah, well, that's all the way open. Shut it. 7073 dot something. Keep it shut. Just change. There it goes, going down. 3, 2, 1. So that works. So why in the dickens is it stuck? Let's put it back in. See what we got. We got gas now. Huh. I guess we fixed something in 15 minutes. That's different. Huh. Anyway, I guess I got another bind. I guess it was me because I did it. There it is. Anyway, that set right in there. I didn't have to hold anything or push. I think I had to push it down in there to hold it still when I put it in. So, anyways, I guess what I'm saying is don't be in no hurry when you're putting stuff back together. And you'll just have to do it again. Anyways, I appreciate y'all watching. And like I said, if you ain't hit the subscribe button. And keep watching these knuckle-headed things I do. Okay. Thank you, guys.